Hey guys, welcome back to my series of videos where I'm solving each of the LeetCode problems. Next one is contains duplicate 2. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, return true if there are two distinct indices I and j in the array such that nums I and j and... Okay, this is tricky. So, okay, so if you've seen the previous video was the contains duplicate, and we just need to check if there was a duplicate. And I was saving if the values already existed in a set. And I think that at this moment I need to save, not in a set but in a dictionary. I need to save the key is the value, and the key is the number in the array, and the value is the position in the array. So if I find it again, I need to do the subtraction and check if it's bigger or smaller or equal to k. So I'm even going to copy and paste this. This is from the previous exercise. So mk there 219 contains duplicate 2, code 219. Solution.py contains nearby duplicates. So yep. So scene or scene something distance counter is a dictionary of integers and integers. The first one is the number in the array. The second one is the distance, is the position. So for num index and num in enumerate nums, if num in keys, cool. Now if num index minus the distance of num is smaller or equal to k, return true. Else we continue. Come on, mouse. Else we add it to distance counter. Distance counter of num equals num index. I am feeling confident. I'm just going to submit. Hope for the best. Let's see if it works. Okay, wrong answer. 54 out of 57. Output false, expected true. Oh yeah, right. Because list, because we can't just save the first position, we need to save all the positions. So for distance and distance counter Come on, copy. If it's true. So if it doesn't, so we need to append this new distance, this new index, num index. Okay, very bad result, but we know LeetCode, so if we just submit again, we might get a very good result. I'm just thinking that actually we don't need to save a list because yes, now I remember why I only saved the first one. Because in the beginning I was thinking that the distance had to be bigger or equal, so might as well just save the first position that we find that number. But if we want a smaller, we might as well save the last position because the distances will only get bigger, and we want the small distance. So let me remove this. Actually, yeah, since counter num, I remove, and I just replace this with equals. Submit. Did a little bit better, especially in memory. Well, did a lot better actually. Um, I think I don't need this else here. I can just remove this. I'm just gonna submit again, see if it does even better. Well, did a little bit better in memory. Well, I think this is it. Hope you guys have enjoyed it.